Hello traders, welcome back to another amazing video of top weekly analysis. Guys, if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for the content like this. Straight, let's go to our chart. As you guys know how we do it for this week. All right, let's look at what happened last week, guys. You guys know how we do it. We'll go straight to the XY. Guys, this is the daily time frame. Okay, if we go straight to the weekly time frame, what can we see, guys? On the weekly time frame on the XY, all right guys, as you can see, each of these candles represent a weekly candle. So basically, what can you guys see? This candle now, guys, this candle that you guys can see now, as you guys can see, this candle is this place. All right, you can see it end bearish, guys, with a wick. So guys, as you can see, it end bearish. Look at it, it end bearish with this with a wick. This is on the XY. It means that the market was bearish. Now since the market end with a wick, I want you guys to know something. All right, there was a rejection. It means that the market will still come down and close with a candle. Since it's a week, the market will come down and close with a body to show us that this retest is final. The market will open and close with a body and give us a clear retest, possibly take out a liquidity here, a buy side liquidity, guys. All right, and once the market take out the buy side liquidity, then we now know that the market is going up. But for this week, guys, the market is going bearish. Now on the XY, quickly let's go to our Euro USD and see what actually the market did last week, and then we predict for this week, guys. Now this is it. The market sold last week for the XY, and guys, don't forget the XY is inverse correlated to Euro USD and the currency pairs. So all I want you guys to do is that if the market is inverse correlated to the US to the currency pairs, this candle now, same this candle, as you guys can see, this candle ends bullish. Now with a week, same thing. For this week coming, when the market open, it's going to open and come back to the upside. It's going to buy. So let's go straight to our daily time frame, guys. This is our top down analysis. Look at it. The market, so now this candle 1 2 3 4 5, the market bought. Now look at it, there's a blind spot here. So the market is formed, it has break, is a resistance zone, now is the support zone. So what are we waiting for? We expect that the market will buy to this upside, guys. This week Euro USD, we are looking for buys, guys. We are looking for buys. So we'll go straight to the H4 time frame to see clearly, guys. The H4 time frame, we are going to see more clearly, guys, on the H4 time frame. Now guys, this is the H4 time frame. As you guys can see, the market closed with a wick. All right, the candle closed with a rejection, a hammer candle. It's a sign of a bullish movement. So what are we expecting? So we are expecting that the market will move from this zone, guys. We go down to the lower time frame, that's the 15-minute time frame, and then we are expecting that the market will come up to this zone, guys. All right, 1:4 our risk reward ratio. This is what we are expecting for this week, guys. This is what we are expecting for this week. So quickly, let's go straight down to our GBP USD. Same thing, similar thing that happened for our GBP USD, guys. Don't forget the XY is selling. We are looking for possible buys. This is the same thing that happened to our GBP USD. The market bought and sell. It created a gap. All right, let me show you guys. The market bought up to this place, created a gap, come down, close this gap. Look at it, this rejection candle here, a sort of a rejection candle, right? A hammer, a money star, whichever name you want to call it. So what are we expecting? We are expecting a movement this way, guys. We are expecting that the market will give us a sort of a pattern at around this zone, guys. All right, we are looking for a pattern, a sort of a W pattern, and we are buying up to this zone, guys. We are buying up to this zone. So What was our potential? These are potential setup, guys, for this week. This is the potential setup for this week, guys. We are buying up to this zone, guys. So for GBP USD, we are anticipating 1:7 RR, guys. 1:7 RR, as high as that, guys. And strictly, let's go to our AUD USD. Let's see what we have for our AUD USD. Okay, similar for AUD USD. See, the market come to this zone. As the market come to this zone, so we are expecting that the market will give us a sort of a pattern, right? There's a rejection. The market needs to come down, enter this zone, and give us a rejection, guys. A sort of a pattern on our lower time frame, guys. Do not forget, on the 15-minute time frame, we are buying up to this zone, guys. We are buying up to this zone. Let's look at our potential for this trade for AUD USD. Okay, inside this place, our stop loss will be a little bit below. Then we are buying up to this zone, guys. We are buying up to this zone, guys. All right, 1:6.7 RR. Quickly, let's go to our gold. Don't forget, this is Jobax FX trading made easy, guys. All right, if you follow this setup, I can assure you there is all this setup. At least we have 1 or 2 setup that usually play every week, guys. Every week there are setup that plays every week. Now our gold actually bought and sold for the past for Thursday and Friday. Gold sold. Let me show you guys. This is on Thursday. This side is on Thursday. The market sold, okay, rejected and sold downward on Friday. Now this is it. Let's go to weekly time frame. Let's know that if gold is on what trend is gold, guys. On our daily time frame, we can see that gold has been going upward, guys. Look at it as going upward. So upon this is a retest. Okay, guys, this is a retest. So we will go straight to the H4 time frame. The market has successfully retested, so we wait for a sort of confirmation on the 15-minute time frame, guys. We wait for sort of a confirmation on the 15-minute time frame, and having wait for the sort of confirmation, we are going to wait for something like this, guys. Briefly, let me show you guys. There is a pattern on the lower time frame. Okay, guys, on the 15-minute time frame, we are looking for a pattern, a sort of a W pattern. Okay, and then we are buying up to this zone, guys. This is the potentials we are having for gold. Now the potential we have for gold, let's look at the potential we have for gold. Briefly, let's look at the potential we have for gold, guys. This is the potential we have for gold. Now we are buying up to this zone, guys. Up to this zone, guys. Our stop loss a little bit below here, guys. 1:5 RR. Straightly, let's go to our US30. Let's see what we have for our US30, guys. For our US30, as you guys can see, our US30 on the H4 time frame, you can see the market sold. This was the setup we did last week. You can check my previous video. We said the market is going to sell up to this zone. As you guys can see, the market sold and give us a nice tip. Now what are we expecting for this week? It's simple. The market has been on a downtrend. We are going to catch the downtrend, guys. Don't enter buys. We are selling. We wait for the market to retreat down to this zone. We wait for a sort of a confirmation, guys, around this zone, and we buy down to this zone, guys. All right, we buy down to this zone. I want you guys to take note. We buy down to this zone, or if possible, the market will get to this zone. So let's look at our potentials. We enter the trade at about this point. Our TP is in around this zone. Let's put something like this. We are having approximately 1:4 RR. 1:4 RR for US30, and our NAS 100, guys. That's US Tech, as you guys can know. Same thing. The market is bearish. What we need to do is actually hit our TP. We wait for the market to come back and retrace at about this zone, guys. The market will enter this zone. The market will come to this zone and retrace, guys. When the market comes to this zone and retrace, we are buying, we are selling rather. Okay, we are going bearish. So as about this zone, we are going. This is our potential for this trade. At about this zone, guys, this market will reach this zone. So 1:5 RR. All right, guys, take note of this trade and check. Let's see how the trade goes, guys. This trade, it is going to go 70% going this way, but except we have the fundamentals news can make this trade to go otherwise, because currently we are having a financial crisis that is actually going on. So guys, take note, trade cautiously. See you in my next video. Peace out.